Hey guys, Wednesday night. That means it is time to go up to Southern Thunder Harley Davidson and Sidecar for bike night. So I'm heading up there now. Let's go. But first we gotta go wash the bike because it's kind of nasty. Let's roll. Alright, it's bike night up here at Southern Thunder Harley Davidson and Sidecar. Second Wednesday of the month. Every second Wednesday of the month, come up here, meet the girls. Say hello to the girls.
Hello. Hey. Hi.
So they're here every bike night. Come on up here and see them. There's drinks, there's food, there's girls, there's bikes, there's all the people that you like. So come on out here.
And a chance to win $250 gift card, a Harley Davidson hat, and a Harley Davidson women's wallet.
Well, all right.
All kind of cool little merch.
Obviously, we all know Lena. We're getting to know
Casey.
No, I was gonna say little sister. We don't want to give that away.
Not yet.
We're getting to know Casey.
Hi.
And
Leslie.
right, the music's just starting, so we will be back with you later. Let's go look around.
Just come